To send money from your Wise account to Interactive Broker's account, you will first need to link your Interactive Broker's account with your Wise account. Go ahead and log into your Interactive Broker's account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the Withdraw button. It will ask you to choose one of the withdrawal methods you've used before. In this case, scroll all the way to the bottom and click on the plus button to add a new withdrawal method. Now, select the currency you want to withdraw. You can choose any currency here, but for this video, I'll assume most of you are trading in US dollars. So let's go ahead and choose USD from the drop-down menu. Then scroll all the way down, and you should see an option called Transfer to Wise Balance. Click the checkbox that says Use this method. At this point, you'll see a list of details related to your USD Wise balance. Once you've confirmed the details are correct, go ahead and click Save Bank Information. A message will pop up saying your bank account information needs to be confirmed. Double-check everything once more. Then scroll to the bottom of the page and sign using your usual signature. It should match the one shown on the left-hand side of the screen. After signing, you'll be asked to confirm your identity. Just enter your Interactive Broker's username and password. Then click Continue. That's it. You should see a success message saying your bank information was confirmed. Scroll all the way down and click Finish. You'll land back on the main withdrawal page. Now, you'll see three options. You can deposit money, withdraw money, and transfer it between accounts. Start by clicking the Make a Deposit button because we want to send money from Wise to the Interactive Broker's account. And that's it. You can now send and withdraw money from Interactive Brokers using Wise. Thanks for watching.